Welcome to Biopractice webinar, the new concept of effective risk management. Are we ready for the implications of the recent changes? The presenter for today's webinar is Dr. Georgi Zorani, MD, MFPM. He is currently a senior global patient safety physician in AstraZeneca, United Kingdom. He qualified from the medical school in Budapest, Hungary, and worked in anesthesia and intensive care for 8 years, including 5 years in heart surgery unit. As an assistant professor, he taught anesthesia, intensive care, cardiology, and pharmacology at the Medical College of Health in Budapest and co-edited textbooks of anesthesia, intensive care, and pharmacology for health care professional students. He has been in pharmaceutical industry for 14 years in various roles, last 7 years in patient safety with AstraZeneca as global safety physician in established oncology. He has worked and advised on many drug safety issues including major safety hazards, due diligence, and termination of clinical development. He also advised on the development of early phase and post-marketing authorization safety studies, including pharmacoepidemiology studies. He has contributed to numerous PSURS, risk management plans, DSURS, regulatory submissions, and label changes in Europe, US, and Japan. Dr. Georgi Zorani is a specialist of anesthesiology and pharmaceutical medicine, member of the Faculty of Pharmaceutical Medicine of Royal College of Physicians, United Kingdom. He is an educational supervisor and works in the Professional Standards Committee of the Faculty of Pharmaceutical Medicine, United Kingdom. And now I would like to hand over to the speaker, Dr. Georgi Zorani. Over to you, sir.
Thank you very much for the kind introduction. I hope that everyone can hear me. So good afternoon, good evening, good morning. And I have the privilege today to speak about the new concept of effective risk management plan. You probably heard about the new pharmacovigilance and pharmacovigilance regulation in Europe, the good pharmacovigilance practice, which was introduced in 2012. But there are some modules which are going to be finalized this year. And my presentation is based on the concept of the good pharmacovigilance practice, especially on its idea about effective risk management plans. And the big question is that are we ready for the implications, because it is very, very demanding, and companies have to realize that a lot of work needs to be done to be compliant with the regulations. So you probably know that in UK you see a lot of magic roundabouts, and it's quite difficult and challenging to get to the other side of the roundabout, and somehow. But the reason we've got this roundabout is because we want to reduce the risk of accidents. So this pharmacovigilance, good pharmacovigilance practice is like a roundabout. It has a lot of exits, but there are purposes, and the regulators, they want to guarantee that we protect the patients in a way we hadn't done before, probably. This new good pharmacovigilance practice has different modules. 15 of them are available already, and you see that the 5th and the 15th are about the risk management and about risk minimization measures. And I will touch base about the benefit risk monitoring and benefit risk assessment as well within this presentation, so bear with me, but remember that these are really the key modules which probably is worthy to look up and to see, because this will summarize what regulators think about the new concept. And I have to tell you that although this is mainly a European regulation, but for example within our company in AstraZeneca, the global risk management plan, which we write for all those drugs which need risk management plans, is now based on the template